Okay, this is my pond. Okay, that's how I set up my pond right here. Okay, my pond has 2 waterfalls, 3 feet deep in the center, and the long is 14 feet. And I have a bottom drain right there. You can see from here. See that bottom drain right there. Right. And I have 2 return. I have 2 skimmer right there. And this is another pond underneath the bridge right here. And connect together underneath here. I put the rock right here so you can see how clean is that. This skimmer right here. And this bottom rail right here. Right here is the bottom rail. See that pipe right there? That's my bottom rail. I go to the bottom of the pond. And that connects to the sediment tank right here. They collect all the food and food right here. See that? Let's get a little bit. So from here we go to skimmer. And from the skimmer they go bump to the 2 drum filter, and this drum filter right up here. And this is the waterfall. Drum filter right here. Cheap drum filter right here. 2 of them. The water come here to come in here and come out at 2 pipe. I make 1 pipe higher than the lower pipe, so they suck the air in there. To put the air right here in this pond right here. Go all the way to the bottom, and they bring up the air. You see that? Okay, I add the air stone in there too, so it keep the algae and life, so they don't turn brown. Without the air, you know, the algae will turn out black. So if you keep the air in there, they turn green all the time. Even in the winter, they don't die. You see that? It's a natural pond. I can call it Bakki Waterfall. Bakki, the basic the Bakki is the same way to do it. Bakki to come out, but Bakki come out from the bottom. But my waterfall water come out from the top. So they go all the way to there, and the water clear all year round. This is my view, the pond, and this right here. You see, I put the air stone in there, the actual air stone, so they keep the algae alive. See that? And from this side, I have water autofill every morning, 10 minutes to the pond. See this the basic drum filter. I have 2 of them. On this side, I make become a jet return. See this pipe right here. I have 2 pipes go to this pond right here, so this has become a waterfall. And the white pipe right there, I make it become a jet return right there. The black pipe right there. They go down to the pond right here. And I make it become 2 jet return on the top and 1 jet return from the bottom. See that on top? Jet return from the bottom right there. You see? That's how my pond set up.